The Calcutta High Court exercising caution before hearing a petition by the parents of the Arjit Kaur rape and murder case victim, who say relevant witnesses are not being questioned, the trial is being conducted to only implicate one person, and they are aggrieved and dissatisfied with the illegal conduct on the respondent authorities' end. The CBI told the court that the agency is addressing all the issues raised in the petition and has filed several status reports in the Supreme Court. The court also observed in how many forums will investigative officers file status reports, adding it doesn't want investigation officers to run around in 4 to 5 courts.
मैं जो पिटीशन किया था कोर्ट में जो पॉइंट रखा था सीबीआई ने भी मान लिया, इसको देखना चाहिए और कोर्ट भी बोला है सीबीआई को देखने के लिए यही, और जो कोर्ट का प्रोसीड्योर है वो करेंगे और ये मामला जितना दूर जाना पड़ेगा हम जाएंगे। हमको लड़की का जो ऊपर जो अत्याचार हुआ है इसका हम कोई ना कोई सच को सामने लाएंगे, जैसे हुई हो हम कोशिश करते रहेंगे। हमारा जिंदगी का यही एक लक्ष्य है और कोई कम नहीं है।
We have basically filed this writ petition seeking further investigation. Today's hearing was basically on that aspect that some of the areas of the investigation was not properly done. The CBI has appeared and they have no objection with regard to further investigation.
While the CBI investigation has said the sole accused Sanjay Roy committed the brutal and horrific crime, the BJP alleges involvement of others and destruction of evidence, which the Trinamool Congress has dubbed as politicization of a heinous crime by the BJP, having failed to dislodge Mamata Banerjee in successive elections.
जो फैमिली बोल रहा है, जन जन बता रहा है, ये ह्यूज कॉन्स्पिरेसी है और ममता बनर्जी का इंस्ट्रक्शन, वो झारग्राम से इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया, विनीत गोयल ने सब एविडेंस को डिस्ट्रॉय किया।
This kind of halchat type politics, when they get something baseless or false or nothing without detail, they are just commenting with a political motive. So that is not any significant comment.
Allegations of destruction of evidence and conspiracy theories about the involvement of others apart from the main accused Sanjay Roy have been floated around for a while now, but it has not been backed by evidence. The CBI says it's still investigating the case as the parents of the victim move the Calcutta High Court again, complaining about the nature of the trial. As there is no closure in the probe, politics over this case still continues. With camera person GD Shankar, in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.